Autumn bustles her way into the park, calling to the strolling mothers, too young for school. The silent bandstand longs for music, but the chatting mothers, dazed by sunlight, slip by. The aged trees perform a guard of honour as autumn marries summer. They send confetti in a shower of leaves. The ground is rusted gold. A toddler smacks at the shimmering air. The trees are stripping slowly as autumn prepares her honeymoon. Summer lifts a veil of sunlight, catching the lace of spiderweb, ready to kiss the morning. Ornamental trees dazzle, blood red, rich and ripening. Your spirits lift your gaze to a kaleidoscope of greens. The park spins under your heel, a dizziness of colours until the concrete paths break nature's spell. The toddler is smacking squirrels who have fled. A storm of leaves arrives like snowfall without winter's sting. Now the leaves turn dry rain. Amazed, you look up to a cloudless sky. Bushes reach out to you, blood-red berries in their palms. Shadows spring like roots at your feet, and you are painted in silhouette in the dying leaves. The tall trees steal summer's generous warmth. Squirrels also plunder the rustling ground, scampering away with gold, climbing like burglars onto rooftops where they wait unseen. The green trees show off their leaves. Another squirrel scurries to the sky. An old dog plods too tired to chase. Young families glide by, still in the springtime of youth. You notice a tree gashed and weeping. A delta of sap spills out. Sunlight or shadow, which will win? The old dog plods on in an aimless circle, while the bandstand's clock ticks towards 12. Something is ending. A child's picture book flutters on a park bench, commemorating the dead. Time has cut down other giants, and centenarian trees gaze at the sawn down stump. Ranks of benches line the route, each a life well lived or lost, sunshine or shadow, which will win? The flower beds still grow, some unfurling flags of colour, celebrating the sun. The ornamental pond springs to life, and the sky peers into its murky mirror. A prison riot of birds protest their innocence behind bars, free from cats and the coming winter. Are the bars better than cold and risk? The fountain froths icing onto its wedding cake layers. Its ripples beat a shimmering circle and a floating filigree of light. The park keeper's cottage is hidden in the bushes like a character in a fairy tale. A warning of a modern plague stands at one wall. A dead carpet of leaves sees you home.